Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make this copycat recipe, which is a Starbucks lemon loaf. If you love Starbucks and you love their lemon loaf, well, why not make it at home? It is so delicious, so lemony. So if you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I'll show you how. This is the ingredients that we will be using for the bread part. Starting off, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, and salt, 3/4 ounce of lemon jello instant pudding mix, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, 3 large eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of regular sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of lemon extract, zest of 1 lemon, half cup of oil. I'm just using vegetable here, and 3/4 cup of plain yogurt. You can definitely use Greek plain yogurt in this recipe. To start off with, I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And here I'm going to cut out a piece of parchment paper just to place on the bottom of my loaf pan. You can definitely skip this step if you like. And I'm just going to spray the bottom of the pan just so that the parchment paper sticks to it. And then I'm going to spray the rest of the pan. And I'm just going to set this aside for now. In my bowl, I'm going to be adding the flour, the baking soda, baking powder, and the salt. And I'm also going to toss in my lemon pudding. And with my whisk, I'm going to whisk this well and just set this aside. In this other bowl, I'm going to add in my sugar and the eggs, and I'm going to whisk this for about 5 minutes, making sure that the eggs incorporate well into the sugar. You can definitely use your hand mixer for this. And now I'm going to start adding in the rest of my ingredients. Here I'm tossing in the yogurt, the vanilla, the butter, lemon juice, lemon extract, and the oil. I'm going to whisk this again until it all incorporates. And now we are going to gradually add in our wet ingredient to our dry ingredient. And this step is optional. If you'd like a more yellow lemony look for your bread, then add in yellow lemon food coloring. That is just optional if you like. If you can see here, it does give it a more yellow color. So once that's mixed in there, I'm going to be adding in the lemon zest. And I'm going to just be folding this until it all incorporates in there. And now we're going to toss it into our prepared loaf pan. And what I'm doing is just going to spread it around so that it is even on both sides. And this is ready for the oven. I'm going to cook this from 55 minutes to 60 minutes. While that is baking, this is the ingredients for the topping. 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And this is pretty easy. I'm just going to combine everything all together. So everything is going to go into this measuring cup. Make sure that the butter has cooled down a little bit before you add it in there. And all I'm going to do is whisk it together, and that is it. I'm going to set this aside until the bread gets done baking. And once this comes out of the oven, mine actually took 60 minutes, so a whole hour to bake. You want to make sure that it is not raw on the inside, so you're going to insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, then it is done. And you're going to let this cool completely. Once it's cooled completely, run a knife on the outside of it. Remove the parchment paper if you added it to it. And here I'm just going to place it on my cutting board. And now I am going to add the topping. So just adding a generous amount on there. And that is it. And you are ready to enjoy your Starbucks Lemon Loaf. I hope you all enjoyed my recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. We'll see you next time. Bye.